Good morning, student. Page number 314, illustration sum 17. From the following statement, profit loss Mukesh Limited calculate gross profit ratio. Next one, net profit ratio. Give the table statement of the profit and loss. Revenue from operation, other income from investment. Total revenue from other income order for the 5,40,000. Expenses, purchase stock in trade, change inventories, benefit for the employees, other expense, provision for tax, total expense. Profit for the year, it is take for the net profit for the tax. Okay, net profit for the after tax, it is called for the profit for the year. Now find out the sum. First one concept, gross profit ratio. What formula gross profit ratio? Gross profit ratio equal to gross profit divided revenue from operation into 100. Revenue from operation, how much rupees? Directly given for the question. Revenue from operation rupees 5 lakhs. It take for the 5 lakhs. Cost profit not given for the directly. You find out for the gross profit. What formula gross profit? Revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation. Revenue from operation, first of all you find out. First of revenue from operation equal to purchase and stock trade, change inventories and direct expense. It is called for the cost of revenue from operation. Given question only two concepts, purchase stock in trade, change inventories. You see the sum. Purchase stock in trade rupees 1,80,000. Change inventory is rupees 20,000. You take for the 1,80,000, 20,000, totally for the 2 lakhs. It is called for cost of revenue from operation. Now find out for cost of revenue operation 2 lakhs. Now gross profit, revenue from operation 5 lakhs. Cost minus cost of revenue from operation 2 lakhs. 5 lakhs minus 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs for the gross profit. 5 lakhs directly given for the question. 2 lakhs you find out for the cost of revenue from operation. Now find out for the answer. Gross profit rupees 3 lakhs. Revenue from operation rupees 5 lakhs. Divided for 20 divided remaining 1, 2, 3, 30 divided remaining 300 into 5. You take for the only 2-digit number on 30. Now 5 into 6 for 30. Our remaining 0. 60% for the gross profit ratio. Next concept, net profit ratio. Revenue from operation. What formula net profit ratio? Net profit after tax divided revenue from operation. Revenue from operation directly given for the question rupees 5 lakhs. Net profit after tax already given for the question. Profit for the year, it is called for net profit after tax rupees 1,50,000. You take the 1,50,000. Now divided 20 divided remaining 1, 2, 30 divided remaining for 150 divided 5. You take for the 1 5 into 3 5 into 50 remaining 0. Automatically 30% for the net profit ratio. Next question, illustration 18. From the following information, Navin Limited calculate gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating cost ratio, operating profit ratio, operating cost ratio, operating profit ratio. First find gross profit ratio. What formula? Gross profit ratio divided revenue from operation. Revenue from operation directly given by the book. Revenue from operation rupees 20,000. Gross profit, what formula? Gross profit means revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation. First of all you find it for revenue from operation. What formula for revenue from operation? Directly given for the question 20,000 for the revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation, how much rupees given for the some formula. Cost of revenue from operation equal to purchase in stock in trade plus change in inventories plus direct expense. You find the question. Purchase stock in trade rupees 70,000. Change inventories rupees minus 1,000. Suppose you will my plus 1,000 you automatically take for the order. Suppose even minus means loss. Automatic less for 70,000 minus 1,000 16,000 or minus 1,000. Direct expense anything nothing mentioned for the direct expense, only take for the two concepts 17,000 minus 6,000. Our answer for the 16,000. You order for purchase, change inventory, direct expense, three concepts is order, but less reason for minus 1,000. It is automatic 17 minus 1,000 16 rupees for cost of revenue from operation. Now find it for the gross profit. Revenue from operation directly given 20,000. Cost of revenue from operation 60,000. 20,000 minus 16,000 4,000. It is called for the gross profit. Gross profit divided revenue from operation 20,000 into 100. Now find out the answer. 20 divided remaining 2. 20 divided remaining 40. 40 divided 2. 1 2 into 2 to 20, 40. 2 into 4 remaining 0 or 20%. Next concept, second concept, net profit ratio. Net profit after tax. Net profit after tax divided revenue from operation. Revenue from operation directly given the question rupees 20,000. 20,000 you take divided net profit after tax 15,000. Net profit already told you previous sum. Profit before tax you automatically take for the finish net profit after tax rupees 1,500. We take for the 1,500 into 100. Now find out 2 digit 0 divided remaining 2 0 divided remaining rupees 15 divided 2. How many 2 for the 15? 7 into 2 14 remaining 7 into 40 remaining 1 order for the 0 up at 10. 2 into 5 10. 2 into 5 10 up 7.5 for this percentage for the net profit ratio. Third concept, operating cost ratio. Operating cost divided revenue from operation. Revenue from operation directly given first concept 20,000. Operating cost you find it the some formula. Operating cost means cost of revenue from operation plus operating expense. Cost of revenue operation, first of all you find it for cost of revenue from operation. Cost of revenue from operation directly given the question rupees. Already find out cost of revenue from operation. Cost of revenue from operation you find out for rupees 16,000 you take for already you find out 16,000. Operating expense you find it for given the question operating expense. The operating expense concept or administrative selling expense rupees 2,400. It is called for operating expense of 2,400 for the operating expense. It is for the operating means running the business, it administration and selling. Up 16,000 plus 2,000 18,400. It is called for the operating cost. Operating cost means cost of revenue from operation plus operating expense. Cost of revenue from operation directly given the question. Operating expense given for the question for 2,400. Totally you order for 18,400. It is called for operating cost. 18,400 divided 20,000 into 100. 20 divided 20 remaining 20 divided remaining value 184 divided 2. 18 how many 2s in 9 2 for 8 9 2 for 18 remaining 4 2 into 2 4 up 92% for operating cost ratio. Next concept operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio divided revenue from operation into 100. It is the formula. revenue from operation directly given the question 20,000. Operating profit only you find out. Operating profit means revenue from operation minus operating cost. Revenue from operation already given for the rupees 20,000. Operating cost find it for the previous getting 1,000. Operating cost already given for question. Operating cost, what formula? Operating cost of revenue from operation plus operating expense. You find it for the operating cost 16,000, 2,400, order for 18,400. Other same concept for you find it for operating concept 18,400. Revenue from operation given the question. Operating cost previous question you find previous setting you find it for the 18,400. You less for final answer 1,600 for operating profit. 1,600 divided 20,000 into 100. 20 divided remaining 20 divided 16 divided 2. 2 into 8 16. Up 8% for operating profit ratio. Now work out for the exercise sum. Exercise sum page number 322 heading for profitability ratio. Profitability ratio. Calculate gross profit ratio from the following. Revenue from operation rupees 2,50,000. Cost of revenue from operation 2,10,000. Purchase 1,80,000. What question? Find out gross profit ratio. Find out for gross profit ratio. Illustrate exercise number 13. Now first of all find out gross profit ratio. What formula gross profit ratio? First of all gross profit ratio. What formula? Gross profit divided revenue from operation into 100. Revenue from operation how much rupees? Revenue from operation rupees 2,50,000 directly given. Gross profit. Revenue from operation 2,50,000 directly given. Gross profit for question you find out the gross profit. Given some formula for the gross profit. What formula gross profit? Revenue from operation plus minus cost of revenue from operation. Revenue from operation how much rupees? You see the revenue from operation 2,50,000 minus cost of revenue from operation how much rupees? Cost of revenue from operation 2,10,000. But total how much rupees? Revenue from operation 40,000. Now gross profit how much rupees? 40,000. Gross profit equal to gross profit 40,000. Revenue from operation directly given the question 2,50,000 into 100. Now divided 2 digit 0 divided remaining 2 0 divided remaining 400 divided 25. 40 how many 25? 125 remaining 15. 15 you order for the 0 up 150. 150 how many 25? 150 6 25 150 up 16% for gross profit ratio. Next question. Illustration exercise number 14. Exercise number 14. Following statement profit loss Padma Limited for the year ended 31st March 2018 calculate profit operating cost ratio. Questions. Statement of profit loss, revenue from operation, other incomes, total revenues, added to value, expenses, purchase in stock in trade, change inventories, employee benefit expense for salaries, other expense, total expense. Profit for tax 3,10,000. Notes of accounts is additional information. Is one of the questions. Particular amount, other expense, office administrative, selling, distribution, loss and sales. They don't consider for the loss and sales. This is for the question. Now find out for the operating cost ratio. Find out for the operating cost ratio. What formula? Question see the what formula first of all. Find out for the operating cost ratio. Operating cost ratio. What formula? Operating cost divided revenue from operation int 100 is for the operating cost ratio. Now first of all, revenue from operation directly given the question, but you take for the operating cost. Operating cost you find out. Operating cost, what formula? Operating cost, cost of revenue from operation, cost of revenue from operation plus operating expense. It is called for operating cost. Cost of revenue from operation, how much rupees? You find out for the some formula for cost of revenue from operation. Our cost of revenue from operation equal to, you find it for first of all cost of revenue from operation. What formula? Cost of revenue from operation. Cost of revenue from operation given for the question. Purchase in stock in trade 8,60,000. Change inventories direct expense. It is called, you will not mention for direct expense, but only you take for purchase in stock in trade, change and inventories. First of all, write the formula. Cost of revenue from what formula? Purchase of stock trade plus change inventories plus direct expense. Suppose not mentioned for the direct expense, you don't consider that. Only two concept you added. Cost of purchase, first of all, purchase stock in trade, how much rupees? Purchase stock in trade 8,60,000. 8,60,000 plus change inventories, it is how many rupees? Change inventories 40,000. 40,000 and add for direct expense, anything for the given direct expense not mentioned, but don't consider for direct expense. You two concept order for operating expense, how much rupees? 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs for cost of revenue from operation. Cost of revenue. Now first of all, you find it for operating cost. Operating cost formula, cost of revenue from operation plus operating expense. So you find it for the first of all cost of revenue from operation, you find it for this answer. Now you find it for operating expense. Operating expense. What formula? Operating expense. Already you study for the operating expense. Administrative expense. Administrative expense plus selling distribution expense plus employee benefit expense practice salaries. Employee benefit means salaries. You see the question, operating expense, administrative selling expense, anything. You see the additional notes. Other expense, office and administrative expense 50,000, selling distribution expense 90,000, and salary means employee benefit for given for this employee benefit for expense salaries 1,16,000, 60,000. If totally order administrative selling expense, how much rupees? Administrative selling expense 50,000 plus selling distribution expense 90,000 plus employee benefit for the salaries 1,16,000, 60,000, 1,60,000. Our total how much rupees? 3 lakhs. It is for the operating expense. This for the 3 lakhs. Cost of revenue from operation 9 lakhs. Operating cost of revenue from operation, operating expense. Then you find it for the operating cost. Now what formula? See the formula. Find for operating cost. Cost of revenue from operation plus operating expense. Cost of revenue from operation how much rupees? 9 lakhs. Plus operating expense how much rupees? 3 lakhs. Our total how much rupees? 12 lakhs. It is called for operating cost for 12 lakhs. Now directly find out operating cost rupees. lakhs divided revenue from operation given for the directly question revenue from operation 15 lakhs into 100. Now find out the answer. 20 divided 20, remaining 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 0 divided, remaining value 1200 divided 15. If order for the 2 digit for the 12, less the number for the 15, अब automatically add for the another digit, अब 120 divided 15, 115 into 815 into 120, 15 into 8, 120, remaining 0. We automatically order for the 0. Up how much percentage? 80%. 80% for operating cost profit ratio. Remaining now find it for the exercise number 13, 14. Next question 16, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 for the students homework. Same for the exercise illustration sum. Already you see the illustration sum, illustration 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Adhe same exercise, no changes, same question. This for the students homework, page number 325, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 for the students homework portion. This lesson is completed for today. Thank you.